Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your XM Real Trading account to MetaTrader 5 using the XM mobile app. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, open the XM app on your phone. On the home page, tap Manage. Now scroll down until you find MetaTrader login details and tap on it. Here you'll see your server ID. Copy it because we'll need it in a moment. Now go back and open the MetaTrader 5 MT5 app. Tap the Settings tab, then select Trade Accounts. Next tap Add New Account. In the search bar, paste the server ID you copied from the XM app, then select the matching server from the results. Now return to the XM app. Copy your MT5 login ID. Go back to MetaTrader 5 and paste it into the login field. Finally, enter the password you created for your MT5 account. Once everything is filled in, tap Sign In. After a few seconds, your XM Real account will be connected to MetaTrader 5, and you'll be ready to start trading. And that's it. That's how to connect an XM Real account to MT5. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot for more XM and MetaTrader tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.